Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, 1st July 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th day of June in 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.87. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 56.1% since we first listed BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.95% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower portion of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $6.83 would initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 58.06% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.83% to 62.36%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 48.7%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might fluctuate between negative 30.47% and 149.54% over the coming year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $4.62 and $16.59. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Significant Movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 14.04% between high and low. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 2.06% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 1st of July, 2025, settling from $6.79 to $6.65. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 14.04%, with a low of $6.27 and a high of $7.15. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 60.63% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as trading volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume dropped by 99 million shares, totaling 253 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 35.75%, or $3.70, below the 52-week high, and 58.75%, or $9.47, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai is making headlines today as the company shifts its focus towards commercial applications amid a positive market on Wall Street. While the long-term outlook of this strategic change appears promising, investors should remain vigilant regarding potential short-term declines in earnings per share and the risks associated with execution, which could affect market sentiment and lead to stock fluctuations. Recently, the company demonstrated its AI-driven capabilities during a significant military exercise, highlighting its ongoing dedication to innovation in defense. Additionally, BigBear.ai has witnessed a remarkable increase in its share price, rising by approximately 300% over the past year, emphasizing its strong position within the rapidly growing AI sector. Given this momentum, analysts are optimistic about the stock's potential to compete with rivals such as Palantir. However, ongoing legal challenges, including a securities fraud lawsuit involving previous purchasers of BigBear.ai shares, could overshadow this upward trend and affect investor confidence in the short term. In the longer term, as BigBear.ai continues to enhance its commercial strategies, there exists significant upside potential, particularly if the company can effectively leverage the increasing demand for AI solutions in defense and security. Investors should keep a close eye on how these developments unfold, as they will have implications for future price movements. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have evaluated the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock is signaling buy indications from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels can be found at $5.61 and $4.20. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 2.06%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 158 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 45 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.84 and $5.80. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings has support just below today's level at $5.84. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.80 and $5.23. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 88 cents between its high and low, or 14.04%. Throughout the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 17.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 7 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $6.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $5.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider buy of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangyam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider buy of 65,822 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. conducted an insider buy of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Fulkino Paul E. conducted an insider buy of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Canato Peter Anthony Jr. conducted an insider buy of 32,911 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 92.482. Overall, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 136,359,620 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.37, reflecting a decline of 4.16%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a substantial level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 81, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair likelihood that BigBear.ai Holdings stock will perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 4 cents and begin trading at $6.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.